friends, welcome back to Learning with Toto. Today, Toto will show us air vehicles. Let's fly high in the sky together. Look, this is an aeroplane. Aeroplanes carry people high in the sky. Zoom, zoom, aeroplane goes whoosh. This is a helicopter. It has big spinning blades on top. Spin, spin, spin. So pretty. It goes up, up, up. Colorful hot air balloon. It floats gently in the sky. Wow! Rockets fly high into space above the clouds. Rocket goes Look at the parachute. It helps people float safely back to the ground. This is a glider. It flies smoothly without an engine, just with wind. Here's a big airship, also called a blimp. It floats high and moves slowly in the sky. Wow, it's very fast and powerful. And here's a drone. It can fly and take pictures or videos from the sky. This is a hand glider. It lets people fly through the sky using just the wind. Great job, friends. You learned all about air vehicles today.